Welcome to the Animated Maths for All series, Series 2. In this video, we'll learn, grow, and excel together by exploring real-world math applications. Look at this elevator. It has a composite structure of a cylinder and a hemisphere. We can calculate the volume of air inside this elevator using geometry. After a great outing, let's head back and finish our project. We will calculate the volume of air in the elevator. Let's assume the radius of the elevator is 1.4 meters, and the total height is 4.5 meters. First, sketch the composite figure of the elevator and mark the given measurements. Time is ticking. Let's move on to the next step. Step 1. Identify the given dimensions. The total height h is 4.5 meters, and the radius r is 1.4 meters for both the cylinder and the hemisphere. Take a moment to process the initial information. Step 2. Determine the height of the cylinder h. Since the height of a hemisphere equals its radius, subtract the hemisphere's radius from the total height. Take a moment to solve the calculation. The formula is h equals hr. Substituting the values, h equals 4.5 meters minus 1.4 meters, which equals 3.1 meters. The total volume, Vt, is the sum of the volume of the cylinder, Vc, and the volume of the hemisphere, Vh. Let's take some time to prepare for the next step. Step 3. Calculate individual volumes. We will use pi approximately equal to 3.14159. The volume of the hemisphere, VH formula, is 2/3 pi r cubed. Prepare to use the formula with the radius to find the volume. Substituting the value of the radius, VH equals 2/3 times pi times 1.4 cubed. This results in approximately 5.747 cubic meters. Next, let's calculate the volume of the cylinder, VC. Step 4. Calculate the volume of the cylinder. The formula for the volume of a cylinder is pi r squared h. Using the calculated height of 3.1 meters and the radius of 1.4 meters, let's substitute the values into the formula. Take a moment to solve the calculation. Vc equals pi times 1.4 squared times 3.1, which results in 19.093 cubic meters. Step 5. Calculate the total volume, Vt. This is the sum of Vc and Vh. Prepare to substitute the calculated volumes to find the total volume. Vt equals 19.093 plus 5.747, which equals 24.84 cubic meters. The volume of air in the composite structure is 24.84 cubic meters. This elevator is huge, right? The amount of space inside the elevator is its volume. Sometimes, volume also tells us how much material is required to make a solid figure. Try to find the volume of another composite figure. Post your answer in the comments. We will discuss the answer in the forthcoming series. If the cone radius is 3.5 centimeters, the cylinder radius is 4.9 centimeters, and the cone height is 12 centimeters, find the total volume of material required to form this figure. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video for more fun with math.